What's up, all my fishing people? We're back on the river here today at the house in Morgantown, and I got my Hellcat rods here, pole holders, hammer. I'm going to start with suckers here. It's about 5 p.m. or 4:30, something like that. Got a big skipjack there. I don't know how good it'll work. The water is about normal. Generally, I can pull one out of here, so we're going to try. And I'll strap my GoPro on. I'll show you the rod holder setup. My buddy Ed's got them, but I used to use these bank fishing all the time. They work really good, so I'll get back with you guys shortly. I think I'm gonna put one right down in this corner here, I think. Oh, there's one little area right here. It seems like it'll produce. So put it there. I'm gonna stick the other one right here. Those are sharp looking rods. I really like them a lot. We're not gonna start with big bait. We're gonna go pretty small. I'm gonna put the other one right here. This time of year, they're still finicky, and they're a little slow on committing, so it's hard to say. I'm gonna stick this rod up here too. I'll stick the other one down there in the end. I don't think I need a real big sinker here. I don't think. Well, I'm just going to throw fives out here. So 5 on that one. I'm using Whisker Seeker slides here. Like I said, I'm not going to use really big bait. Their average, probably 5 to 8 pound channels, is a pretty average capper here. Sometimes smaller. No, I plan on really going. Here's the sucker. So I'm just going to cut his head off here. Or try to cut his head off. And just small little piece. Ain't been eating algae. So small little piece. This place isn't bad in the wintertime, but towards summer it gets real weedy in here. I'm using 4-rod hooks today. I typically just use 6 all the time, or 8 once in a while, but I feel like these smaller channels. Here we go. I really didn't do what I wanted it to do. I mean, it's a good enough cast, but so I'm gonna stick this one here. Heard Ed gas. Sound like a daggone rock. Which I say it does when I cast too. So I'll just cut tail off. Another, I think it's a 3-aught Eagle Claw Super Sharp or whatever they're called. I'll use them a lot here. Little piece of bait. this one. I'm just gonna try to. Perfect. I don't know what it is about that spot where I just cast it, but it usually works pretty well. We might have her. There's a daggone rope right there that went around. He come out of it. He come out of it. There we go. There we go. That's an old chunky one there, is.
Yeah, it is.
Man, oh man. That's a nice channel cat there. Guys, a perfect little healthy channel cat here. Let's see if we can let him get first hellcat fish. Tell your buddies to bite. Me and Ed's want to catch about 5 more. Same rod, same spot. Can't keep my pants up. My buddy Justin says, reel down. Feels like a better fish. It's crazy, all the bites came in this one little spot here. So a solid little channel. That was smaller. Oh, there he went. Catch and release. There he goes.
That quick release.
Quick release. A quick cast back out. That was little. We didn't really need a photo opportunity with that guy, did we? We got her in and got the fight over with anyway.
Yeah.
He fell off right there.
Yeah.
Right in the leaves. Well, of 3 poles, the middle one's doing the best. 2 bites. And technically 1 fish, but we'll call it 1.5. Made it back home, guys. We had a pretty good little evening there. Not a whole lot of action, but I did catch one, I lost one. We got a couple more bites that you all won't see. There's nothing ever happened with them, but I appreciate you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. If you haven't, I think it's about 80% unsubscribed, about 20% subscribers as watched. So subscribe, it helps out a lot. I appreciate it. I'll catch you guys soon.